news channel of Delhi Public School, Rudrapur. This is reporter Anshpreet Kaur wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Freedom in the mind, faith in words and pride in our souls. Let us salute the nation. As we can clearly see, the guests have arrived and NCC cadets are escorting them. Now this is time to unfurl the tricolor. It gives us a sense of patriotism and sacrifices made for the country's freedom. Here we can see the NCC parade. On this auspicious day, the parade is going on very good. The event was graced by the presence of esteemed chief guest, Shri Sunil Khera, Deputy Advocate General, High Court of Uttarakhand, along with the special guest, Shri Gautam Kathuria, a renowned chartered accountant, and MD Gautam Kathuria and Association. Shri Gopalaji, an eminent chartered accountant and partner with Gautam Kathuria, Mr. Ritesh Manocha, a renowned bhajan singer, Shri Manoj Gupta ji, a distinguished jeweler and industrial, and our Honorable Chairman Shri Surjit Singh Grover ji. The cultural program on Independence Day is a vibrant celebration of India's rich heritage and diversity. So let's witness the realm of programs. Our Honorable Chief Guest is addressing the gathering and asking everybody to remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Our Honorable Chairman Shri Surjit Singh Grover ji is addressing the gathering with his valuable words. भारत देश की हम संतान हैं, 3 रंगों से बना तिरंगा यही हमारी पहचान है. स्वदेश means one's own motherland.
So, sir, our first question is that what role do you believe that events like this play in shaping students' values and national pride?
Actually, these are the events in which we generally have a total atmosphere of nationalism. On a normal day, you may have some national feelings, but you have a lot of other feelings. But on this day, now we have Ghar Ghar Tiranga. So even before that, we look at tirangas flying everywhere. We hear the musical presentations of Desh Bhakti songs. All these make the entire atmosphere a nationalistic atmosphere.
Speech was mind-blowing, it was amazing. So, we have one question for you. So, what encouragement or advice would you give to the DIP sites regarding these programs, what we can implement?
Basically, DPS Rudrapur under the leadership of Chairman Sri Surjit Singh Saab is doing wonders for the students, for the Rudrapur as a whole, and we usually call him the Dronacharya of Rudrapur, and he has initiated many initiatives. If you even talk about the sports, even if you talk about academics, extracurricular activities, he is always taking lead in and getting the pioneer things in his school. And today's program, although I missed it, but it was very wonderfully organized, and every program, whenever they do it with whole heart.
So what was the most memorable part of this whole program? You have seen it. So what do you find the most memorable thing here today?
All the events which beautiful children have done were all covered with the most deep sense of nationalism. And I can congratulate each and every student who has participated in these programs, your teachers, and wish all the best to everyone. All the events were wonderful. I don't want to name any one event, but all you won a prize in Mauritius also. All your events were prize-winning events. Every event had a very wonderful impact on the school children.
So, बेटी बचाओ प्रोग्राम में आपके कोई विचार हैं?
बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ ये स्लोगन, इस पे शायद करोड़ों रुपए गवर्नमेंट खर्च कर चुकी है, और अभी मैंने हाल ही में एक गीत तैयार किया है इसके ऊपर, बेटी बचेगी कैसे, क्योंकि हमेशा जब एक नई नवेली बहू घर आती है तो एक आशीर्वाद दिया जाता है बुजुर्गों द्वारा कि दूधो नहाओ पुतो फलो. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जिस दिन उन बुजुर्ग औरतों द्वारा ये कहा जाएगा कि दूधो नहाओ पुत्री फलो, तो शायद ये ड्रास्टिक चेंज रहेगा हमारी लाइफ में, और गवर्नमेंट को भी शायद इस पर बहुत ज़्यादा काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा. इसी विषय को लेकर मैंने अभी एक गाना किया है, और आज जैसे मैंने आपका प्रोग्राम देखा है, इसमें से 4 स्टूडेंट आप जो बेस्ट आपके स्कूल के हों उनको हम लोग चयन करके उनका एक बहुत जल्दी वीडियो शूट तैयार करने जा रहे हैं।
That's all for today. For more updates, keep watching the official news channel of Delhi Public School, Rudrapur. This is reporter Ashprit Kaur signing off. Jai Hind.